Sir, may I start the session?
Yes, Lakshya, sure.
Thank you, sir. So, good evening, everyone. Now it's time to begin our second session for the day. So, let me introduce to our esteemed speaker for the second session, Dr. Amit Kumar. I want to give you a brief background about Dr. Amit Kumar, sir. He has completed his bachelor's and master's degree in library and information science from MD University, Rohtak. From the very same institute, he also completed his doctorate in library and information science last year. He started his professional journey as an internship trainee at Library of MD University, Rohtak. For a year, Sir was a project fellow in major UGC project. Moving ahead in his career, he became assistant librarian at Delhi College of Advanced Studies, New Delhi. As it is said, great things happen to those who don't stop believing, trying, learning, and being grateful. Very soon, he became assistant professor in the Department of Library and Information Science at Central University of Haryana. He published a good number of research papers, book chapters, and has published and presented papers which truly reflect his expertise and passion about library science. I would also like to add that he is very efficient in Koha. One must seek his guidance if has any query regarding the library management system. Now, without any further delay, let's welcome our faculty, Dr. Amit Kumar sir. Now to you, sir.
Thank you, Lakshya. Our second sessional is start, and the second sessional focus on the accusations. So first accusations. Koha accusations modules provide a way for the library to record order placed with the vendor and manage purchase budgets. So setting up the accusations module, click on the accusations module, which is highlight on your screen. Okay. Then before using the acquisitions module, you will want to make sure that you have completely all of the setup like budget, fund allocations. So the you must define a budget in the administrations. The notification is clearly highlighted on your screen. So now click on the administrations, then budget administrations. First,
No, நம்ம பாட மாட்டோம் நீ கவலையே படாத அந்த இதெல்லாம்
1 minute.
ஐயோ
Okay. All the participants are requested to mute yourself. First, you should define the budget. Click on the new budget. Then fill all the required field. Starting date, end date, and descriptions of the budget. Maybe our starting is the 31st March to 1 April to 31st March of the budget sessions. So here 1 April 2023, and the end session is the 31 March 2024. Descriptions about the budget, library budget, or you should describe your budget as per your policies. Here I write the library budget. Total amount of the budget, you should write your total amount. Here I write 10 lakhs. Okay, to make the budget active. If the budget is not active, so you cannot perform accusations and more from the budgets, and lock the budgets or maybe save the budget. After that, all the active budgets are displayed on your screen. Then define your fund. Now,
Sir, now it's visible, sir.
okay. When we create the budget, then click on the library budget which you are created, and then click on the new fund for the library budget. Then you should write the fund. The fund code is unique. Then like maybe PMF. Okay. Then name is the printed material fund. You may be right for the books. Printed material fund. Total amount which you are given for the print materials. You can also create a audiovisual materials fund. You also create a books and other resources. Then I write I given to 5 lakh for the print materials. Okay. Then warning, I set the warning that I spend the 90% of the budget. The warning should be come on my screens. Or you may be put on the percentage, or you may be put on the amount. Which you like, you can put. I put here for 90%. Who is the owner? Select the owner of the budget. So you can search library, category, and search. Okay. So you can select anyone patrons from here for owner of this budget who can maintain these budgets. So select for the library. Which library? Center library. Restricted access to owner, owner and user, owner, user and library. You can restricted your budget access. All of these. You can note any notes and then submit. The fund is created for the printed materials. Fund printed materials 50 lakhs. And periodical allocated जो है 50. Then come on the home and click on the acquisition sections. Now the printed material fund is highlighted here. Now you should maintain the vendor. Before place the order, before any order placed, you must be enter at least one vendor. Okay. To add a vendor, click on the new vendor. Then the vendor session is divided into 3 sessions. First session belong to the company details. Second session is belong to the contact details. And the third is broken in the interface, ordering informations. These are the 3 phase or areas where this session is broken. Okay. So first you should fill the company details. For examples, here I write a happy. Okay. Happy bookstore. Bookstore. You maybe mention the postal address, physical address, phone, fax, website, account number, vendor types, allies. You should write your details, and then you should write the contacts detail of the vendors, the primary serial contact, contact when ordering, contact about late orders, contact about orders, then ordering informations. The vendor is active or not. If the vendor is not active, it is not shown by the when you are purchase or when you are placing the orders.
Sir,
So here,
sir, sorry to disturb. Sir, sorry to disturb you, sir. Sir, I think the participants are having a problem.
just write in the message chat box. What problem?
Sir, I think Vishaka is saying unable to find vendor details.
Send me the screenshot on WhatsApp. Vishaka, send me the screenshot on WhatsApp. You should go to home and then click on the acquisitions, and after that you should click on the wed vendors. After that you should able to see the all the informations about the vendors. The vendor
Got
session,
it, got it, sir. Got it, sir. Please continue.
the vendor session is divided into 3 sessions. First session belonging to the company informations, and second sessions belonging to the contacts, and third is the ordering informations. Please fill all the required informations as per your library, and vendor is active. If you place the order to the particular vendor, the vendor should be active. And list price, what is the US dollar? Okay, I here select the US dollars. Tax number registered, yes or no? If you are not now about the tax registered, so you should click on the no. List price is included tax or don't include tax, to select as per your library policies. Discount. Now, how many discount is given by the particular vendor, you should write here. For examples, I like 25% of the discount will be given on the books, and how many delivery times written on in your contract with the particular vendors, like 30 days, and then click on the save. Happy Bookstores your vendor is stored. Okay. Then go to the acquisition section, search for the vendor, Happy Bookstore. Then click on the new, create a basket. Create a basket. Okay, we create a basket for the placing a order. So all the items you should put in your baskets, or all the suggestions you should put your baskets to place the orders. So first you should fill the basket name like Happy Bookstore. One. Okay. Then billing place, you select the billing place, central library, delivery place, central library, vendor, current vendor, Happy Bookstore. Internal note, you should write a note for your staffs, or vendor note. You should write the note for the vendors. Order standing note, because we are given the fresh order, so order notes standings. Create items when use default placing and save. Your basket is created. Okay, so add to baskets. Add your suggestion to the baskets. So click on the add to baskets. Add order to basket, Happy Bookstore. So you can add from the existing record. You can add from the new suggestions. You can add from a previous subscriptions, and from a new empty records. There are the many options available. You can add your records. Okay. For examples, from a click, I click from a new empty records. Then managed by this, so who manage the orders? So managed by resource persons. Open on 12/11/2023. To notify on receiving. So you can select the user who will be notified when the order is received. So you can add the users, or you should fill all the required informations about your order items. like titles. Right here, I like write 5 laws of library science. Okay. Fill all the necessary details like SS publications, write editions number, publications year. Okay. ISBN series, item type. So these are the books. So I select the item types as books. Then home library. All the required field is highlighted in the red colors. Okay. So home library, current library, then books, add items. If you want to add a multiple item, then click on the add multiple item and give the number of copies. Add. Okay. Like number of copies 5. Add. Quantity 5. Fund, where the amount is deducted from the print materials. Currency used, vendor price, then write your vendor price 250, then a certain or uncertain price. If uncertain price, the basket will not be closed. So please do not check on uncertain price. Okay. Then discount 25, retail price 250, replacement cost 250, budget cost 187. Okay. Then the total amount of the 5 books is 937. Then you can select the estimate delivery date, or you can be leave it blank and then save. Then your order is add in your baskets. These are all. Number 1, order, price, actual cost, budgeted cost, price, total cost. Okay. So now here you can cancel your order, delete your catalog record, modify or transfer your order, edit your orders. If you want to edit estimate delivery date, so you can edit. If you want to cancel your order, you can cancel. Okay. Otherwise, close your basket. If all the orders are add in your basket, then you can close your basket. Are you sure you want to close your basket? Yes. Okay. So these are the our orders. Happy bookstore. Then click on your orders. If you want to reopen the basket, click on the reopen baskets. If you want to some add or delete some items from that, so you can reopen your basket. Okay. Otherwise, click on. Then the order is received. You can click on the receive shipments. Then vendor invoice. Write your invoice details here. Shipment dates, shipment cost. If shipment cost is nil, so please leave blank. Shipment funding is no fund. Then click on next. Then we have one basket. When the one basket is on your screen, select received selected. The order is received. These are the 5 books which we have ordered. Then click receive, item receive, yes or no. If you receive 4 items, then click only 4 books. If you receive all the items, you check all the items. If you receive 1 items, then you click only 1 items. Okay. These are the confirm. Then you click on the confirm. Job is progress. Then this is the, you can cancel your receipt, or if you go ahead, then click on the finish receiving. Then printed material funds 937 rupees 50 paise is deducted from the particular funds, and these are the our orders which we received. These are the invoice. Then click on the items. These are the items, accession dates, last seen, status. The books are available in your library. Okay. Then the further you can edit these book details in your catalog sections. So these are the process where we place the order and receive the orders. Okay, so today's section is completed here. How to receiving an invoice, vendor management and ordering places. The next topic is how to creating the reports about the particular sessions. Then go to the home, click on the reports, then statistic wizards. Click on the statistic wizards. These are the row and columns where you select your informations placed on row from. You can apply the filters received on group. You can apply the filters day of the week, month of the weeks, and years, or from. Okay, vendor, you happy bookstore. You can generate the report on the vendors. You can generate the filter the report by the home library, like center library. Collections, you should filter the reference about the by the collections, item types, books, thesis, dissertations, and workshop participants, and the funds. You should the printed funds. Okay. Then the 11 December to 11 December. Then count items, count unique bibliographic records. We have 5 items, but 1 unique bibliographic records. If you count all the items, then you can click items. If you count the unique bibliographic record, then you check the unique. And if you count the amounts or order amounts, then the check the particulars one. And output. Output to be shown the screens or to be export. So I click here the screen and submit. There are the 5 items which we placed today. Okay. This type of filters you can apply to export the reports. Okay. So these are the report section. Reports, and then the statistic wizard, which sections, which modules you can generate the reports. Then click on a particular modules and then select your criteria. Maybe vendor, home library, collection, item type, funds, and then select your cell value. You should, here I write the vendor, happy book depot, and the unique, and then one titles only. Dekho, one titles. है ना, it's only one titles because we have only one unique bibliographic records, 5 library signs. If we click on the items, then 5 items. We have ordered 5 items of this particular unique records. So you should check your criteria, then tick and submit. Or you can export your reports in the CSV files. Maybe tabulations, maybe comma, and submit. Your report will be downloaded. And you can see your reports in the Excel, MS Excel. Okay. So today's session is over. If you have any questions regarding this, so you can ask.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, what is the invoice number?
Invoice number is your bill number,
Okay. And
which
sir,
you are
in
received
starting,
from the, you will be received from the vendors.
okay, sir, as this received option, it was also from starting, would you tell us? Means I could not join in starting. Would you repeat it?
Your voice is not clear.
Sir, I am saying
Access?
receiving you were telling in starting. So I could not join that time. So would you once tell again from where did we start this? How can we open this?
Okay. First, when you access the acquisition sections to
Yeah, sir.
use our acquisitions module, so you should you should show that you have completed all the basic setups like
Okay,
budgets
sir.
and fund allocations. For the budget and the fund allocations, you go for the administrations modules. Administrations, Koha administrations modules. Then
Okay, sir.
acquisitions and click on the budgets, and then you create a new budget for your library. Okay. Then click on the
Okay, sir.
budget. After that, you put the starting date of your budget and the end date of your budgets. Give the descriptions about your budgets and then total amount of your budget. Make the budget active if you want to
Sir,
access
in
it.
description, what will we put like
Like
example?
library
Would you tell?
budgets or maybe जो है UGC budget, which budget you have added here. So you can
Okay,
give
sir.
the descriptions about the budgets. When you all the information is filled, then click on the budget,
Okay.
like here library budgets. Then click on the budgets and click on new fund for the library budgets. Like here, print materials fund. I click here, then click on the write the code for the fund, and code should be unique and no space will be given between the alphabets like AVM. Okay, AVM, audio visual material fund, and then give the particular amount to the particular fund. Like I give to the 50,000 rupees and set your warning. You can set the warning on the amount or you can set the warning on the percentage. When I spend the 90% of the budget from the audiovisual materials fund, then the system given a warning on your screen. You spend the 90% budget from the that. Okay. Then select the particular library.
Hello.
Yes, you can access you restrict your access of your fund, or you can and then submit. Okay, then all the basic setup is completed. Then go for the acquisition section and create the vendor list. Before any order can be placed, you must first enter at least one vendor. Okay,
Okay, sir.
to click on the new vendors, then vendors form divided into three sections. First sections belonging to the complete details, second reflect to the contact details, and the third is the reflect to the ordering informations. The order will be the vendor is active or not, list price is US dollar or rupees, invoice price are US dollar or rupees, tax number registered or not registered, list price included tax or not included tax, or invoice price is included tax or not, or tax rate, which discount given by the particular vendor, how many take days to deliver the items. All these required informations, fill this form and then click on the save.
Save.
Then your vendor is saved for the ordering. Then if click on the search vendor for a order. Okay, then like happy.
That's a video. Happy about it.
Any one word or alphabet you can write and click the enter. It is
Okay, sir.
automatically show your vendors. Okay, then click on happy bookstores, then click on new basket. There are the three things: basket, contract, or vendors. So you can create a new vendors, you can create a new contract, or you can
Sir, can you
echo.
please tell just like I searched for the vendor like
Yes.
Vishakha Happy Bookstore and then what was the step?
Then click on the vendor name.
Sir, after clicking on then my options are showing add to basket, edit basket, delete basket.
Yes. So first you can create a basket.
Sir, I created a basket.
Please share me
Even
a screenshot.
even I created that book also.
Mhm.
Like can you just that click that back button? I think I missed one step.
You can click on here, accusations or happy book. Just click on accusation section. Okay. Then click on search. You have
Yes,
added
sir.
only
Got
one
it.
vendor.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Okay. So click on new. You can define your contract with the happy bookstore. New contract for happy bookstore, है ना? For the contract for the 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. So you can define your contract for the happy bookstores. Click on the happy 2023 to 24. You can write your descriptions, start date. I rate right here 1 April to 31st March. Okay. So these are our contract, 1 year contract between the library and the particular bookstore.
Sir, this contract will it be given by from our side or from means that vendor side?
Our side. Because some
Okay, sir.
libraries uh, uh, placing the contract for the particular vendors, है advertise
Okay, sir.
for the
Yes, sir.
vendors contract. Otherwise, you can only add the vendors and you can click on new baskets and then you add the item from the baskets. First, you
Okay,
think
sir.
write a basket name, then billing place, select the particular library, deliver place, select the particular library, vendor, select the name of the vendor, and then you should write a internal note for the vendor or vendor note for the vendors, and then you should click on the contract happy 2023.
Sir, how to know that any basket was created in the past and we have to select that basket only?
When we click on Like when we click on the particular vendor, then click on the basket. Okay,
Directly it will
and
show.
then click on the show all basket. We have only one
Means
basket
how,
from the happy
sir, here
bookstore.
it will show means how many baskets are created.
Only we have only one basket it created. So in
So it is showing here, right?
so
So
we have
in
only
future,
one
yes.
basket it created.
So in future, if we will have to order another book from this store, so we will do add to basket.
No, we
We
have
have to
new
make
basket.
another basket. We have to create another
For
basket.
another book, and like for every new book, we have to make a new basket
Every order, not
for
a book.
every order.
If one order have a 10 books, so one basket created for the 10 one order.
Okay, so
है
means
ना?
new order is new
If
Sir,
basket.
हाँ
sir,
yes
regarding the discount, can we change the discount value for each basket
yes
for the same vendor?
yeah, नहीं this is depend upon on your library policy.
No, sir. For a book note, the textbook they will give some discount. For reference books, they
Yes,
will some discount. So
You
how
are not
can we
audible.
mention that?
yes, you can add it,
Where
or
we get
you can add it on the receiving time. You can also
receiving?
add it on the receiving time.
No, while fixing that vendor, we have to mention
Yes,
the discount rate. No,
yes.
then how can I change that one?
देखो लक्ष्य
Yes, sir.
take the question from the Geeta ma'am,
Yes, sir.
है ना, and share to me. I think see there are some problems. The voice is not clear to hear me.
And also, please tell how to receive this order. Like if I've placed an order for this book, that this 5 laws of library science. So how to
Yes.
receive this order?
When you when you add the items into the basket, you should close the basket and then place a order. After that, you click on receive the order. Like I given an examples. Okay. I click here, Happy Bookstore, then create a new basket like Happy Bookstore 2. Okay. Then billing is central library, vendor, contract is 2023 4. Okay. And then save then add to the basket, add the order into the basket. Click on the, and you can from an existing record, from a suggestions, from a subscriptions, from a new, from a existing orders, or from an external source, from a new files, from a stage file. There are so many options. Okay, then I click on it from a new records. Then fill the forms, titles, colon classification, then author, then publisher, and you can write an additions. Okay, publication years, all the necessary fields or fields to be filled, and then provide the item informations. Central library. Okay, collections, you can select the collections, fictions or non-fictions. Then you can also select the shelving or date acquired, source of acquisitions, or you should be give the blanks and add at items. You can add a single item or you can add a multiple items. If you add to multiple item, then click and the add to number of items 4, and then click on the add. Okay. Required funds. So show the error and click mandatory, sorry, click on the box. All the required fields should be filled and then click on save. कौन सा रह गया? For item is mandatory field. For item is mandatory fields. Okay. I delete here and then I add again books. All the mandatory fields are filled and then save. Quantity or multiple items for add.
Sir, if you are
Okay,
saying something, it's not audible.
I'm not available.
No, sir, you are audible.
Okay, check your connections, dear. Okay, add the multiple items. Then quantity will be shown here. Then select the font from the print material or audiovisual materials. So I click on the print material font. Then click on your currency. Okay, and then the vendor price. What is the vendor price for the items? Then I click 500. Then tax rate or discount. You should here customize your discount. Automatic 25%. So then I click on 35%. Okay, retail price, replacement, budget price, total cost, everything is okay. Then you should write your estimate dates, maybe 30 December's, and then click on save. Okay, so your item is added in your basket. Then when your basket is completed, you can close your basket here. Yes, I want to close my basket. Okay, when you receive your order, then click on the receive shipment. Write your invoice number or bill number which you received from the vendor, like 124. Okay, shipment dates, shipment cost. When we order from online, then we pay the shipment cost like 40 rupees, 50 rupees. So then you can mention, otherwise you should blank, leave blank here. Okay, and then click on the next one.
Sir, there were options like additional fields, vendor, XYZ, and this
Yes,
show inactive or active.
you can enter in the shipment date. Huh? So, some vendors are some books are paying for the particular shipment charges. Then
Okay, sir.
select a particular basket which you have ordered and then click received selected.
Sir, where is that receive selected? Okay, yeah, okay, got it.
Hmm? Then when you check your informations with your order, and then if you received the 3 items, then I click on the 3 items only. If you received all the items, you should check all the items. If you received only 1 item from the list, you should click on the 1 items. Okay. Here I check the 3 items and then quantity received automatically count 3. If I check here 4, then the quantity received 4. Okay. Then this is our order cost, retail price 500 and the budget cost is 325. The 35% discount we have get. Then the confirm. Okay. Order line 2, no basket groups. Then we received the colon classifications. Then 500 retail price, quantity 4, print material funds, and estimate code 325 and total cost is 1300. then finish the receiving. Okay, then shipment dates, billing dates, select your billing dates and close. Then your invoice is closed. Invoice has been
Excuse me, sir.
notified और वो close हो गया. So your book is
Sir,
ready
did
for
you click on that close button? Status open.
this particular order is closed because we have received all the 4 items. If you have received only 3 items, then you should not close your status
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, sir.
because some items are remain for the vendor side. If you
Sir, like
receive
that
all
we,
the items, then you should close your invoice. Okay.
sir, sir, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Sir, like that, 3 items we have selected and we received these. Like that, we 3 items we have to receive. And all
Hmm.
of sudden, if we get this information that only 2 items we received,
Hmm.
so how can we cancel one this?
You want to cancel the items or you can wait
I
for
want
the order received.
no, sir. Like that, 3 items we selected. Like that, the 3 items we have got it in receiving, right? But
Hmm.
all of sudden, if I get this information, no, we did not get 3 items, we got 2 items. So how will I
Hmm.
cancel one item?
You can select only 2 items and your 2 items added into the invoice finishings. When
Okay,
you
in
receive the
edit we
3 items,
will go.
you reopen the baskets and click on the
Okay, sir.
remain items, and then again we follow the process, same process to finish the items.
O- Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You can reopen your basket anytime.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir,
Hmm.
so Geeta ma'am has asked his question that discount rate will differ from text and reference books. So where should we mention the discount if the discount rate is not the same in one order?
Same in?
So, sir, if the discount rate is not the same in one order.
Yes. So they can edit the item when they received the order. Okay, like
Sir just
for
answered that question just a few steps back. When he was receiving the book, there was an option of mentioning the
write a
discount.
particular percentage of
Then, yes,
concession.
sir mentioned that if the discount rate has changed or if the discount rate is
You can
different on this
modify
side.
your discount rate any time of the process. Any other?
Sir, I think that's it.
Sir, where can we see our old orders?
Old orders. On the acquisition. Okay. Then you can generate your report order by fund, print it, and the submit. Okay, these are the orders which you have received, 1 and 2. Got it?
Yes, sir, thank you.
Sir, I am not able to log in through the user ID and the mobile number. Can you please help me out?
What is your good name?
Rupesh.
Rupees. 1 minute. Dr. Rupees.
No, Deity. Deity. Deity dot Rupesh.
Deity.rupees
Yeah.
at gmail.com.
Yeah.
Okay. Your password will be sent on your WhatsApp. Okay.
Sir, you have said the last four digits of the mobile number. Is it not the password?
No, if zero is come in your last 4 digit, it will be changed.
No, zero is not coming, but you have sent the password, right?
Right.
Okay. Thank you.
And sir, will we get any PDF or notes of these steps after the session? Like we are new to
All,
this, so we
all,
might
all,
forget.
all, all the process is you can download from the manual. है ना? You can search manual, Koha manual,
Yes, sir. Okay,
and you can
understood.
download it in PDF form, and all the process is given on with the screen shot.
जी sir.
So हाँ, you you can download from the Google, है ना? Just Google search and write Koha manual. Okay, so you can download Koha manual documentations. Any other question?
हेलो सर, नमस्कार।
नमस्कार।
जितेंद्र कुमार चौधरी बंसीलाल स्टे भिवानी लाइब्रेरी।
हाँ जी, बताइए।
सर, जैसे हमारे पास कोवा है, तो जैसे अभी ऑर्डर के लिए देखा कि इसमें कॉल नंबर एंड एक्सेस
वो
नंबर,
हाँ,
तो ये बाद में हम एडिट कर सकते हैं क्या, या साथ के साथ एडिट कर सकते हैं?
देखो जो रेड कलर में है वो आपकी रिक्वायर्ड इंफॉर्मेशन है।
यस सर।
और कॉल नंबर तो आप पहले ऐड करेंगे नहीं।
जैसे ऑर्डर तो रिसीव हो गया जी, जैसे अब एक्सेसन
जब जब आप ऑर्डर रिसीव करते हो तो उस टाइम पे आप एक्सेशन नंबर डाल दीजिए।
यस,
ठीक है ना? क्योंकि जो
ओके।
ऑर्डर के टाइम पे आपने सभी पहले सारी इंफॉर्मेशन वहां पे डाल दी है। जब आपने ऑर्डर किया
यस
तो मोस्टली इंफॉर्मेशन
यस
आपने वहां पे डाल दिया। जब
यस
हम
सर, यस
ऑर्डर रिसीव कर रहे हैं तो हम जो मार्क का 952 है, लोकल आइटम्स जो टाइप्स हैं आपके, ठीक है
यस
ना?
सर,
किस लाइब्रेरी में है, क्या उसका लोकेशंस क्या है, डेट ऑफ एक्वायर क्या है, तो ये सारी जो जो भी आपकी फील्ड्स हैं रिलेटेड टू द एक्विजिशन सेक्शंस, यू शुड
यस
फिल
सर,
दैट टाइम। ओके।
ओके सर,
हाँ, आपको आपने बारकोड 952P में जो है आप उसका बारकोड डाल दीजिए, उसका एक्सेशन नंबर डाल दीजिए। फिर आप जैसे ही सेव करेंगे जो कैटलॉग सेक्शन है वो उसको ओपन करके सिर्फ कॉल कॉल नंबर डालेगा, बाकी आप सारी चीजें एक्विजिशंस में फिल हो जाएंगी।
फिल हो जाएगी, ठीक है सर,
हाँ,
ओके।
और बाद में भी एडिट कर सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि एडिट नहीं कर सकते। किसी भी एंट्री को
हाँ
आप कभी भी एडिट कर सकते हो।
सर, हमारे पास भी 2015 से एक हुआ है।
हम्म। तो ये देखो ना, एक्विजिशंस आपके यहाँ एक्विजिशंस अभी इम्प्लीमेंटेड है या डायरेक्ट कैटलॉगिंग से स्टार्ट है?
नहीं, डायरेक्ट कैटलॉगिंग ही हमारे एक्विजिशन अभी नहीं किया हमने इसमें।
हाँ, यही तो है, क्योंकि काफी सारी
नहीं
लाइब्रेरी हैं जो डायरेक्ट कैटलॉगिंग करती है, एक्विजिशन सेक्शन इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं किया हुआ।
नहीं कर रही थी, हाँ जी।
मोस्ट ऑफ द लाइब्रेरी जो है, कॉलेज लाइब्रेरी एंड यूनिवर्सिटी लाइब्रेरी जो है, स्टार्टिंग विद द कैटलॉगिंग मॉड्यूल्स।
यस सर, ओके।
एनी अदर?
Sir, regarding that, in earlier session, I saw some part of it. There was some like licensing kind of thing, but I think I have missed that part. So if you can just show me once again what was the process of
Which process? Okay, so all the participants are requested to create your budget with your name and then create for the fund for maybe books, ebooks, journals, or you can categorize for the print materials and audio visual materials and print materials or non-print materials, and then adding minimum 2 vendors and create a basket and order 5 unique bibliographical records from the new list. Okay, then receive the order and invoice them and then create a reports. Okay, this is your assignment. If you have any questions regarding the previous session or the present session, you can ask.
Sir, this
No,
is
sir,
Rupesh
thank
here.
you.
Okay.
One minute. Madam, this is Rupesh here. I am not
Yes.
able to log in, sir. The same password which you have sent. Previously also I entered this password only, but still I am not able to enter it. Can you help me to?
1 minute.
Oh, I'm not able to practice.
Can you share the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Share the screenshot on my WhatsApp. Yes, Lakshya. Lakshya.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for such an informative session, sir.
Yes, sir,
So
thank you so much.
that's it for today. So that's it for today. I would like to end the session by
Yes.
quoting my session. Take pride in how far you have come. Have faith in how far you can go, but don't forget to enjoy the journey. So all the participants, thank you so much for joining. We will meet again tomorrow at 3 p.m. and have a great day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.